Rasim Kamliya is the physicist and mathematician well known in Abkhazia and outside. Internationally, he is also recognized as an inventor. He has 8 patents in the field of radio engineering. In the field of electronics, I have 8 inventions. They are different measuring systems. I was engaged in energy sources. We constructed electronic devices for measuring the characteristics of various units for physical experiments. His last creation was a machine for peeling nuts. Rasim believes that this innovation can provide good service for the food industry of Abkhazia. The devices which I have made on electronics are in practical use. Though the patent related to cracking nutshells is not used, its reason, let us see. However, his main child Kamliya believes his work on the proof of Fermat's theorem. For many years he has been struggling with unraveling an age-old mystery. Well, I have read that many years scientists are struggling and cannot prove the theorem, in spite the wording is very simple. What is the secret of this formula and how can one reveal it? Though it is a simple formula, but it turned out not so easy to prove it. Therefore, it took a long time. 2 years ago, he did this, in his opinion. However, other scientists did not confirm it. Rasim Kamliya has presented his evidence before the Abkhazian scientific community. There is a theory of expansion in power residues. With the use of this theory, Fermat's last theorem could be proved in short. There are 2 ways. Understandably, Rasim wants his authorship to be recognized by the international scientific community. However, this is not the major importance, he said. Most importantly is to help mathematicians to get rid of the so-called Fermat's dependence. The practical use of this proof to stop people being engaged and not spend minds on it. Thank God, the solution came after all. 300 years people fought. But the most important is that Rasim wants to make Abkhazia to be a homeland for talented mathematicians. As Alexander Lebed said, it's a pity for our country.